Student, how are you all? Today I am gonna teach you class 9 biology chapter number 1, which is introduction to biology. What is biology? Biology is the study of life, is called biology, or we will define it. The science of life is called biology. Life means in life the living thing and non-living thing. In life, both living and non-living thing will come, but we will study about living thing mostly. The biology is the relationship between living and non-living thing. सही है. हम बायोलॉजी में लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म और नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म दोनों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. इट्स अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. द स्टडी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म डिवाइडेड इनटू मेनी स्पेशलाइज्ड फील्ड दैट core of the organism. Morphology means the form and shape and structure of the organism comes in biology. The physiology, the function of these parts of the living organism. The anatomy, the internal structure of the body. The behavior, how living organism will behave with each other, from where they are originated, where they are distributed, because there is a vast diversity among animal and plant, both exist in them. So the study of life is called biology. The second one is the derivation of biology, from where the word biology is derived from. The word biology is derived from two Greek words. Bio means life and logos means to study. The study about life is called biology. Or the bio means life, logos means study, thoughts, reasoning. The study about life is called biology. Organism is a living entity which is consist of one cell, or they are consisting of many cells, several cells. सही है. इसमें हमारे साथ इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? The organism consists of one cell or a single cell is called unicellular. If the organism consists of more than one cell or several cells is called a multicellular. Then the major division of biology comes. Biology is divided into three major divisions. First one is botany, second one is zoology, and the third one is microbiology. Botany, the study of animals, the study of plant is called botany, or it is the study of plant physiology, plant structure, plant genetics, plant distribution, plant classification, and the economic importance of the plant. If we will study about the botany, then we will use the terminology of botanical name of different plant. Just for example, we will study about the mustard plant. So instead of mustard plant, we will say it Brassica campestris. If we will take the example of garlic, then we say Ilium sativum, not the garlic, because garlic is the English name of lesson, and the Ilium sativum is the botanical name of garlic. Third example is the pea. We can say that Pisum sativum, not the pea, because we will studying in the botany. So we will also study about the plant life of the particular region of the plant. What are the habitat of the plant? What are the geologic history or the geologic period of that plant? Because there is also a diversity exists in plants. The plant will differ from each other according to their physiology, according to their function, according to their reproductive and vegetative part. Second one is the zoology. As the name indicates, zoo means animal, logi means to study. The study of animal is called zoology. Zoology is that branch of biology which deal about the animal and the animal life, including their structure, including their physiology, including their growth, development, classification of animal. An individual that specializes in the field of zoology is called a zoologist. Aristotle is the first person who will discover the zoology. Third major branch is the microbiology. Micro means small, tiny, microscopic. As the name indicate, microbiology is the study of the microscopic organism. Just for example, bacteria, viruses, fungus, protozoans. These all are the microscopic organism. Next one is the branches of biology. We will need further branches of biology, because biology is the science of life and science is a very fast growing field. To understand it in easier way, we will describe it into further branches. The first one is morphology. Morph means form, logos means to study, means the form, shape and structure of organism is called a morphology. Morphology is that branch of biology in which we deal about the form. Form means if we will take the example of tissue, then we will saw that the tissue is what type. It is the type of soft tissue or it is a hard tissue. Means soft hard tissue means the soft type of connective tissue, hard type of connective tissue. It also comes in the forms. What is the structure of organism and their specific structure feature? It comes into internal and external parts of the organism. It includes the aspect of outward appearance, mostly external morphology, as well as the form and structure of the internal parts, just like bone and organs. So it is called the morphology. Second one is the anatomy. Ana means up, tom means cutting, up cutting. If we will take the example of a frog, if we will dissect a frog body, then its body is divided into two parts. Then the internal structure of that frog body will visible to us. So we will say that the anatomy is the internal structure of the organism body. Next one is the histology. Histo means tissue, logi means to study, means the study of the microscopic anatomy of the cell and tissue of plant and animal is called a histology. Or we can say that histology is the study of the composition, structure and function of the plant and animal tissue. It is performed by examining a thin slice or section of the tissue with the help of light microscope or electron microscope. Histology is also an important tool of biology, also important tool of the medicine too. And then comes to the physiology. Physio means function, logos means to study. The study of the function of living organism means the study of how the human body works. It describes the chemistry and physics behind the basic body function, from where the molecule behave access to how system of organ work together. The system and organ work together, they form organization, the living organization. What is the, if we will take the example of human heart, the function of the human heart is to pump the oxygenated blood into and distribute to all body parts. We will take the example of kidney. The function of the kidney is to purify the blood, means the function of the internal structure of the human body comes in the branch of physiology. The last one is the embryology. Embryology is the name indicate embryo. Embryo is the initial development of the organism after fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of both male and female gamete is called fertilization. After fertilization, reproduction take place. Then we will study about the embryo and fetus. So the embryo is then turned into fetus after the 11th week of pregnancy. Then we will call this embryo to fetus. We will study about the unborn embryo in the prenatal development of the gamete, which is also known as sex cells, about the fertilization, about the development of embryo in fetuses. It comes in the branch of biology which is known as embryology. Okay, Allah Hafiz, student. Stay safe.